Hi everyone, welcome back to Naanep TV, Basic Autocad Tutorial. Today we are going to discuss the command point or a dot. What are the uses of dot? One thing is to mark. Sometimes some CAD team or CAD operators are using points as a symbol. In any way, I will show you how to do the proper way of using point. Okay, so where can we find it? It's here. Point, toolbars, or say here, okay, here. Under format is on the point style. Okay, so we click this one, then we can see different types of available points. Okay, in AutoCAD, point is not just a dot. Sometimes it comes with, it can become like a vertical cross or diagonal cross or just a tick or a circle with point or circle with cross, diagonal cross or tick, or sometimes square, so on and so forth. Okay. Currently, what we are using is 5 units or 5%. Here, the thing is that there are two options. One is set the size relative to screen. So it doesn't matter you zoom or zoom in or zoom out, still the size is the same. However, if you're going to put the size in absolute units, the size will be big when you zoom in and it will be small when you zoom out. Okay, so it depends on your requirement. It depends if you're going to use the points as a permanent component of your drawing, or you're going to use the point as your measuring tool or construction tool. Okay, so right now we are just going to use it. First we have to choose one. Okay, we choose this one, circle with a crosshair, and then we choose, say we try this one first. You see? Okay, now we already set, so we now can draw point. Draw point here, single point. There, we already have. Okay. So the next question is that where are the uses? What are the uses of this point? So, as what I said earlier, some CAD team or some people or engineers using the command point, they use it as symbol. Okay, however, it is not commonly acceptable, and points are used only for the construction of the drawing. I mean, during the drawing process, not the actual construction of the project. So, what are the ways of using it? For example, this one is also directly related to the command divide, that which I discussed previously. For example, this particular line, I want to divide into 10 equal parts. Okay. So what I'm going to do is to execute the command divide, enter, then select objects to divide, then enter the number of segments. Take note, Once we divide this item, the space or the gap between the two units or the points that will appear here later will be symmetrical, equal. Okay? So let's say we want to divide this line into, say, 13 parts. There. There you are. Very easy and very convenient. Very simple command, yet very useful. For construction, or in the construction industry, how is this command being used often? For example, I'm going to give you a direct example. For example, I'm going to draw a stair. So this is the upper level. Okay, let's erase this one first. For example, this is a stair. This is a, say, upper floor and lower floor, and I intend to draw a stair here. So I try. Okay, let's step back a bit. Point. Next step is to let's verify first the finished floor. What is the height on the upper floor, from upper floor to the lower floor? 3125. Okay. Usually preparing stairs is experimental, trial and error. They are standard. So the standard of thread for stairs is 250 mm. So we're going to offset this one. You can offset all the way, or you can copy it. Then you can stretch this one upward. Okay. Now let's say we want to do, say, 3125. Let's see, we can use a 175. This one we divide by 175, so we can do the riser. Divide. Or say measure. Specify segment of length, say 175. 175 is a standard height of riser for stairs. Okay. So this one we have to verify. We are sure that each and every one of this one, the gap from starting here is 175. So this one we verify. Distance node. By the way, the point that we just created is called node in the OSNAP. Node perpendicular. What is the distance? 1, 2. So now we count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So now we know the steps, because we cannot grow higher than the 175. is that we're going to divide it into 18 equal parts. Let's verify again. Hmm. Okay. Measure, select object, 175. No, perpendicular. So it is still correct. So the thing is that we have to distribute evenly. 17. So this one we have to divide into 17 equal parts. Okay. So we type divide, 17. Then now we can be sure that the distribution of the stairs of the stair riser height are equal. So we copy this one in here. By the way, I already have the OSNAP perpendicular inside my AutoCAD, inside my drawing. There. Then we execute the command trim. If you don't want to select, you can just enter there, there. There. Oops. Undo. Let's undo. Okay. So on and so forth. So this is how to use it in the stair. So it will take time before I can complete the stair. So the thing is that I just showed you the option on how to use it. How to use the command point. What is the purpose? What is the main usage? In building construction, usually this is the only way where you use point, where you use the command point. Just a simple one, but just as well very important. Okay, if you find the tutorial useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Naanep TV. And one more thing is that all the procedures that I'm showing you is just the basic way. Still have to study if you are really eager to learn AutoCAD and you want to be a professional AutoCAD user. You have to practice, 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 and then explore all the commands that I had been through, or even the commands that I have not been through. Please explore and experiment. There's no other way of studying AutoCAD than to explore it, search, and practice. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and stay safe. God bless.